Good morning all. We are in East London today working on this absolutely beautiful BMW E30, an import from Holland that's had an M42 litre engine conversion done many years ago. Was bought in Holland. The owner's had it for over 20 years himself now, and is looking to restore it to its best health again. So we are in the process of doing a two-stage engine clean service, and this vehicle may well be coming into our sister company Walbot Customs to have a body restoration and paint job as well. As I say, the customer's really looking to get it fully restored, probably not to concourse level as such, but certainly to a nice level. So lovely vehicle, very nice to be to have the privilege of working on this, and look forward to hearing back from the customer what he thinks of the service. If you need us, our telephone number is 01293 769495, or you can always drop us a message for any engine carbon clean, DPF clean, diagnostics or remapping services. Have a great day.